A 14-year-old male student of Troy High School in Trelawney remains in hospital after he was stabbed by his twin brother at their home in Warsaw in the parish on Tuesday. The brothers were reportedly playing dominoes when an argument developed. Head of the Trelawney Police Division, Deputy Superintendent Winston Milton, confirmed the incident during an interview with our news center. A taxi operator was shot dead, his mother wounded, and 4 of his relatives, including 3 children, left traumatized after men reportedly opened fire on the family in Greenvale, Manchester on Tuesday night. Police named the deceased as Gregory Sutherland, 36, otherwise called Greg, of Bigot Street in Greenvale. Preliminary reports said that about 7 p.m. Sutherland was driving his taxi with relatives as passengers to their home when 2 gunmen alighted from bushes and opened fire at the vehicle. Observer Online was told that the gunmen attacked the family mere meters from their house in Scottstown area in Greenvale. Sutherland's mother was reportedly shot in the chest and foot. The other passengers escaped injury. The injured people were rushed to hospital where Sutherland was pronounced dead, and his mother admitted in serious but stable condition. A man who was accused of chasing and shooting another man in Cornwall District, Westmoreland, on Thursday, August 10, has turned himself in after being added to the parish most wanted list, police said. Charged with murder is 26-year-old Nico Finley, otherwise called Matic, of Deans Lane in Montego Bay, St. James, and Hertford's district in Petersfield, Westmoreland. He is charged with the death of 21-year-old Ronaldo Moore, otherwise called Chin, a furniture maker of Cornwall District. Reports from the Savannah Mar police are that about 8 p.m. Moore was standing among a group of people along the roadway when Finley approached him. Finley reportedly pulled a firearm from his pants and opened fire at Moore, who ran away in a bid to escape. Moore was reportedly chased and shot multiple times. He was assisted to hospital where he was pronounced dead. Following an investigation and being listed on Westmoreland's most wanted list, Finley turned himself in to the police in the company of his attorney on Monday, October 9. Charges were subsequently laid against him. His court date is being arranged.